In the last few decades, the healthcare industry has made tremendous steps forward in finding a cure for diseases that were often thought to be incurable. The number of new medicines now available to patients has risen exponentially. However, all these medicines need a package to allow storage, transportation, and safe delivery to the patient. Over time, these materials may release chemical compounds called leachables, which may be toxic and therefore can have a critical impact on the health of patients. It is of the utmost importance to qualify materials of construction, final packaging systems, and devices for medical use in an extremely detailed way, with the highest level of scientific scrutiny. Because human lives are at stake, for Nelson Labs, it is a mission, a passion, to provide the pharmaceutical, biopharmaceutical, and medical device industries with the highest quality in science and support throughout this entire qualification process. The reason is simple: because we care. This is also reflected in relationships we've built with over 500 companies around the globe, where confidence and trust in the service and in the quality of our work is the solid cornerstone of these cooperations. Thanks to its dedicated and highly qualified staff, Nelson Labs can provide top services tailored to the needs of its customers. With the analytical and regulatory expertise and the unique know-how that has been built over the last 25 years, we can carefully design a project around the specifics of each individual application. Nelson Labs can offer a wide range of analytical services based on optimized protocols and qualified or validated analytical methods to provide unparalleled support to its customers. In a first step, the test articles are prepared for analysis by an experienced sample preparation team. Subsequently, the prepared samples or extracts are analyzed with our state-of-the-art analytical techniques, allowing us to generate a detailed impurities profile even at trace levels. In addition to these cutting-edge technologies, we have developed over the years a proprietary and unique screener database to assist in an accurate, fast, and unsurpassed identification of an extremely broad range of organic extractables and leachables. As a market leader, we heavily invest in new technologies and groundbreaking innovation to guarantee the best support to our customers going forward. However, the biggest asset we have are our people and their dedication, commitment, knowledge, and passion. Thanks to the Nelson Labs team, we can support our customers with the highest level of service in all its aspects. Top researchers you can count on. It's good to be sure, it's good to be confident, knowing that your products were tested by Nelson Labs.